Hello everyone, and today I have a mystery box. Now what could be inside this mystery box? Yes guys, this box has all the stuff which I bought from the paint shop last week. I know you guys are excited to see what I bought and you want me to open this box as soon as possible. So if you are excited, then pause this video and comment below open now. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So guys, like you guys, I am also excited to open this box and to show you guys what I bought from the paint shop. So if you guys have not watched my previous video where I went on the paint shop and bought all this stuff, then I will put a link of that video in the end screen so you can later go and watch that video as well. So guys, without wasting any further more time, let's open this mystery box up and see what I have bought. So come on, without wasting any more time, let's open the box and see what I have bought. And on top only you will see here, these are the sandpapers. All the sandpapers which I will need. I have bought 2 sandpapers each, as you can see here. All these sandpapers cost me 298 rupees. Then you can see that I have bought 3 masking tapes because there will be a lot of masking. So for the 3 masking tapes it cost me around 120 rupees. So let's keep them aside and let's move forward and go and see which is the next thing. And the next thing is this thinner. This is a cheap thinner. This I have bought to clean my spray guns. It has cost me 120 rupees. Then I have bought a slightly expensive thinner which is Maruti 800 thinner. This has cost me 200 rupees. This I have bought to mix with the epoxy primer. Now the costing of all the products have increased. So let's move on with the next thing. The next thing is this passion red paint. This is first quality paint. When you are doing the paint matching, you will have to buy the first quality paint only. Now this paint has cost me 550 rupees per 100 ml. I have bought 600 ml. So it cost me total of 3300 rupees. So let's move on to the next thing. And the next thing is hardener. This hardener will go in my single stage paint. This 125 ml hardener cost me around 250 rupees. So let's move forward. And the next thing is this universal thinner. This is slightly expensive thinner. This has cost me 480 rupees. This will go in my base coat, in my clear coat and in my single stage paint. This is a very important thinner. You can't waste this thinner at all. So let's move on to the next thing. And the next thing is degreaser. Degreaser I need to clean the surface. This is 200 ml. So for this it has cost me 200 rupees. Then I have bought 2 tack rags. This one tack rag cost 40 rupees. So for 2 it cost me 80 rupees. So let's move on to the next thing. And the next thing is single stage paint. This paint I have bought for testing. So first I will test this paint because the paint shop guy has given me this as a single stage paint. This is from Nippon Paint. So I will try this on the wheels and after testing I will tell you guys if this has a good finish or no. So for this 1 liter it has cost me around 700 rupees, but in this hardener and thinner will go. So that price is separate. So let's move on to the next thing. And the next thing is this Biolux epoxy primer. He has told me that this is a second quality epoxy primer, but I am doubting it. First time I am using a Biolux epoxy primer. So once I use this I will come to know if this is good or Duxon's epoxy primer is good. After testing it I will let you guys know which is better. Now all these products I will use and I will upload the videos in my course in details. Now this epoxy primer comes with this hardener. This entire package you will have to buy. This package has cost me 580 rupees and he has told me that this is a second quality epoxy primer. If you want a first quality epoxy primer then that also they have, but you will have to buy 4 liters of that. You don't get that in 1 liter tin like this. That's why I have bought this second quality epoxy primer. So let's move on to the last thing, and the last thing which has remained is the clear coat. This is a Biolux clear coat and this is also a second quality clear coat. This has cost me around 1400 rupees. This comes with the hardener. So this is the hardener which comes along with it, and this is the hardener which comes with the epoxy primer. Both of these are different grade hardeners. Now I have used this clear coat in many places and I have got good results with it. So I will use this clear coat on that car. So guys, these are all the things which I bought from the paint shop last time, but there are still 2 things which I still need, which is the body filler and the 2K primer. Now these 2 things I already have, so I will use what I have first, and if it is not enough then I will buy more. Guys, if you want to learn Autobody and painting seriously, then I have created a course on it where I teach step by step what is to be done, like how to mix the primers, clear coats, paints, how to avoid paint runs, how to get rid of orange peel, how to handle spray guns, and all this stuff I teach there. So if you are interested in learning, then I've put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. And I will see you guys on the inside. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, I will see you guys in my next video.